How to create a new Apple ID on your iPad. So if you want to change which Apple account you're using on your iPad, I'll show you how to do this in just a couple of easy steps. Now, the first thing we need to do is bring up the settings on our iPad like so. Once you're on the settings page, go and click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. And if you're already signed into an Apple account, the first thing we need to do is go and sign out of this account. So if you scroll right down to the bottom of the page, you'll have the option for sign out. Go and click on this. It will then give you the option to either erase the iPad or to sign out but keep your data. So we're going to press sign out but don't erase. You could then press continue and click on continue anyway. You can then go through these steps by pressing continue, and then you may need to enter your Apple password in order to sign out of this account. Now once you're signed out, we can go ahead and create a new Apple ID. So click on Apple account in the left hand side and then select don't have an Apple account. You could then select your age range, so I'm going to press adult. You could then enter your name and also your date of birth. Now select don't have an email address, and you can press get an iCloud email address. So you could then go and type in a new name for your Apple ID, and then you can just press create email address. You could then enter a password for your new Apple ID, and if you continue through these steps, that's how to set up a new Apple ID on your iPad.